Apps that let you buy now and pay later let you pay for things in installments, sometimes with no interest. We look at apps that let you buy now and pay later to see who has the best ways to pay for electronics. If you want to buy some electronics but don't want to pay for them all at once, you could use a Buy Now, Pay Later, or BNPL, app to pay for them in installments. Most Buy Now, Pay Later plans let you pay in installments, and there may be options with no interest or credit checks. Here's what we think are the best ways to buy electronics now and pay for them later. Number 1. PayPal Pay in 4 is the easiest and most widely accepted method. Why Pay in 4 is special? PayPal said that Pay in 4 would be available in 2020. This is a Buy Now, Pay Later option that lets you pay for online purchases in 4 installments at stores like Best Buy, Bose, and more. PayPal's Pay in 4 plans don't charge interest, and there are no late fees or interest charges. Easy to sign up. If you choose PayPal as your payment method, you may have the option to pay in 4 for some purchases. If you are approved for a payment plan, the first payment is due when you buy the item, and the other 3 payments are due every 2 weeks. Soft credit check. If there is a credit check, it will be a soft inquiry that won't hurt your score, and shoppers may get instant approvals. Purchase amounts and locations are limited. Right now, you can only use it for purchases between $30 and $1,500, and you can't use it everywhere. Pay in 4 isn't available in all states right now. Number 2. Klarna, best for Amazon shoppers. Why Klarna stands out? Klarna is a Buy Now, Pay Later app you can use to pay in installments when shopping at major electronics retailers, including Amazon, Bose, and Harman/Kardon. Klarna offers several different payment plans, but the type of plans offered for each purchase may vary. Multiple ways to pay. You may be able to pay in 4 bi-weekly installments, pay in full within 30 days, or pay over 6 to 36 months. Interest-free and financing options. There's no interest if you pay within 30 days or over 4 bi-weekly installments. However, interest does apply if you choose a payment plan that's 6 weeks or longer, up to 36 months, and the rate is well into double digits. Soft credit check. Klarna may check your credit if you request a payment plan, but for its pay in 4, 30-day, and monthly plans, Klarna will run a soft credit inquiry, which shouldn't affect your scores. Shop anywhere online. You can use Klarna payment plans when shopping in the app or anywhere Klarna is accepted. If a store isn't in the Klarna app, you can download the Klarna Google Chrome extension and use it to shop on a laptop. Another option. Tell Klarna how much you want to spend at a US-based online store in the app, and if the purchase is approved, you'll get a single-use card that you can use at checkout. Number 3. Affirm, best for large purchases. Why Affirm stands out? Affirm could be an option to consider if you need to borrow a larger sum for an electronics purchase. Affirm loans go up to $17,500, with loan terms for small loans ranging from 1 to 3 months, and terms for large loans extending up to 48 months. No credit impact. Affirm says applying shouldn't affect your scores. Interest may be charged. Longer-term plans can go up to 30% APR. But if you choose to pay in 4 installments, there's no interest. Loan terms vary. Affirm negotiates different loan terms and rates with individual stores, so terms offered by Affirm at checkout may differ from one store to the next. Shop anywhere online. Certain stores like Walmart offer Affirm as a payment option at checkout, but you can use Affirm elsewhere online too. If Affirm isn't a checkout option, you can first sign up for the Affirm app. If approved for credit, you'll get a one-time virtual card to use to make the purchase. Number 4. Zibit, best for no fees. Why Zibit stands out? Zibit is an e-commerce brand that offers credit to customers buying merchandise in its marketplace. Zibit charges no interest, late fees, application fees, or membership fees. The Zibit marketplace has major brands and products such as Apple Watches, AirPods, Xbox systems, Samsung smartphones, and more. If you visit the site, you'll see a preview of Zibit marketplace merchandise. But to make a purchase, you must create an account and log in. Credit lines up to $2,500. The credit you may get approved for can vary, and you can pay back purchases over 6 months. Limited credit may be accepted. Being new to credit or not having a FICO score isn't an automatic deal breaker. Zibit may look at other credit reporting data and information to determine if you're eligible. Large selection of products for sale. You can find a range of electronics for sale on the Zibit site, including TVs, phones, headphones, video game consoles, and smartwatches, for example. Number 5. Afterpay, best for online and in-store shopping. Why Afterpay stands out? Afterpay offers shopping flexibility. with both online and in-person options. You may be offered Afterpay as a payment option when checking out at participating online stores, but you can also use it at physical stores by signing up for an account and then adding the Afterpay card to your digital wallet. You can then use the app in-store to pay via Apple Pay or Google Pay with a contactless payment at checkout time. No interest. Afterpay charges no upfront fees or interest. However, you may be charged late fees if you don't pay on time or if your payment is returned. No credit check. There's no hard credit check when you apply. Payments spread over 6 weeks. Your first payment is due right away, and the next 3 payments are due within 6 weeks. View and manage your spending limit. Afterpay shows you an estimate of the credit limit you can use, and the limit can grow as you make on-time payments. What you should know before using Buy Now, Pay Later apps for electronics. If you want to buy a new laptop camera, video gaming system, or gaming accessories, Buy Now, Pay Later apps may help you avoid paying for the entire purchase at once. But Buy Now, Pay Later apps do have some drawbacks. Applying is so easy that you might be tempted to sign up for multiple Buy Now, Pay Later plans, leaving you juggling multiple Buy Now, Pay Later payments. This could become difficult to manage. If you can't make your payments on these plans, you may be charged late fees. And if the company reports late payments to the credit bureaus, they can show up on your credit reports and potentially hurt your credit. To make the most of Buy Now, Pay Later apps, make sure you can manage the payments. How we pick these apps? We looked at 10 popular Buy Now, Pay Later options and considered their features, costs, and ease of use. Then we categorized the top ones by what they're best for.